Hi everyone, today we'll see how to integrate Altschema with your WordPress site. So this is the site Altschema. They are giving SEO Copilot as well as you have Search Console, and you can optimize your FAQ, meta description, image alt text, and schema generation. Mainly in this video, we'll see how we'll generate one FAQ and apply it and see whether it is being shown in our site. So for that, I have taken one of my site. First, let me install the plugin. I'll sign in. So I have enough credit. So this is the integration. I'll choose the site. This is my site. I'll download the WordPress plugin. I've already downloaded. Now let me upload it. Okay. I have uploaded the plugin. Now I'll install it. Then this plugin was initially there. So I just simply replace it. Okay. Replace is successful. I'll go to Altschema SEO and simply copy your site ID from here. Copy the ID, replace the ID here, save it. Okay. So you can see connection is successful, and they're saying that all schema is integrated with one SEO plugin, so it works along with your rank math. So all the changes they'll use the rank math for pushing the meta description, schema, title, and canonical URL. Now coming back to the site, let me generate one FAQ. Choose my site HimadriVerse. Okay, for that I need one or two URLs to generate the FAQ. This is my blog. Let me see. Is there anything here? No. Okay. I'll take this one. I'll come to the site. Choose HABC. Apply it. Generate the FAQ. Okay. FAQ is generated. Let me apply the optimization. Okay, it is applied. You can go here and see whether it is applied or not. You come to history, select my site HRC version 2. This is result yet to be applied. Okay, let me apply this one also. Now I'll come here and sync. So you have already one update. This one we generated FAQ. So let me check whether FAQ is there or not. Okay, you can see that FAQ already came. What causes water heat pump failures? Okay, good. So that's it for the integration. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.